Today we're looking at Continuously Computed Impact Point Delivery Mode, or CCIP, at the Nevada Test and Training Range. We will be using the 8230 DB2 profile with BDU-33 training bombs. To reduce clutter on the hood, set the gun/pack switch to the safe position. The TGP is in standby mode. To select air to ground mode, press OSB 2. The hood is currently Sensor of Interest or SOI. To make the left multifunction color display or MFCD SOI, press left coolie hat long. To slave the sensor point of interest or SPI to the steer point, press China hat long. To make the BDU-33 profile active, press OSB 14 to select the Dismas status page, OSB 1 to open the profiles page, then select the BDU-33 profile with OSB 19 and OSB 20, and make the profile active with OSB 17. To view the main profile page, press OSB 3. The 8230 DB2 profile requires a bomb release quantity of 2 and an interval between bombs of 75 feet. To set release quantity, press OSB 6 to select ripple single, enter 2 in the scratch pad and press OSB 8 to set the ripple quantity. The interval is set to 75 feet at OSB 9 and CCIP delivery mode is set at OSB 10. To view the profile settings page, press OSB 16. The desired time of fall is 6.7 seconds and the minimum altitude is 1000 feet. To set DTOF, enter 6.7 in the scratch pad and press OSB 19. To set minimum altitude, enter 1000 in the scratch pad and press OSB 18. To save the profile, press OSB 3 and OSB 1 to return to the status page. Aim-off distance is 0.2 nautical miles or 1215 feet. Aim-off distance is distance beyond the target. We will fly towards the aim-off point during the delivery pass until a track reference can be set. The aim-off point is a point on the ground beyond the target relative to the aim-off distance. The zero sight line is a reference line extending along the longitudinal axis of the aircraft. All sight depressions are referenced to the ZSL. We will use the depressible pipper as a reference to the aim-off point. The depressible pipper can be manually depressed over a range of +10 to -300 mils, referenced to the zero sight line. To set the depressible pipper to -34, press the depression rocker switch. Using the TGP, we point select the target and set it to SPI. To point select the target, slew TGP line of sight with the slew control and press TMS forward short. To toggle field of view, press China hat forward. To zoom in and out, press DMS forward and DMS aft. Zoom level and field of view is displayed on the upper left corner. To set SPI, press TMS forward long. To create a mark point at the SPI, press TMS right short. Set the steer point dial to the mark position. Target altitude is taken from the Digital Terrain System Application Software Database. To insert height of target altitude, press the data rocker switch. Hot altitude will flash for a few seconds to indicate that elevation can be changed with the UFC. However, DCS altitude is usually accurate enough. At 10 miles from the target, we place it at the 10 o'clock position. We zero the accelerometer. The gauge indicates G-loading on the aircraft. We use the canopy rail and canopy bow dust plugs as dive angle reference points. We place the target in line with the canopy rail for a 45-degree dive angle, the first dust plug from the canopy rail for a 30-degree dive angle, the second dust plug for a 20-degree dive angle, and the third for a 10-degree dive angle. During the approach to the target, we maintain position relative to the correct reference point. Base altitude is 5.1, which is 5,100 feet AGL or 9,995 feet MSL, and airspeed is 280 knots indicated. Base range is 1.2 miles. Base range is the distance from the target when the attack is started. With the target in line with the desired angle and cockpit reference points, we turn toward the target and begin to descend, maintaining the depressible pipper in line with the aim-off point, marked here with smoke. Track altitude is 3.6, which is 3,600 feet AGL or 8,495 feet MSL. Track altitude is the altitude at which the desired dive angle should be achieved, with the target under the Peeble and the pipper tracking up to the target. We use the desired release cue as the track reference. The DRC represents the desired time of fall, as entered in the Dismas weapon profile. When using a ripple delivery, the DRC indicates the release point with an even number of bombs bracketing the target. The middle bomb will fall at the desired impact point when using an odd number of bombs. Release altitude is 2.8, which is 2,800 feet AGL or 7,695 feet MSL. Airspeed at release is 325 knots indicated. Pickle. Safe escape maneuver is climb. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe.